Hello! Welcome to this episode of Learning Adventures. Today, we will look at what is assertiveness. Imagine the following scenario. Your coworker comes over to your desk and asks you to look through a huge pile of documents by the end of the day. You have three options. Number 1. Look at all the other piles surrounding your desk and in contempt say, "Sure, I'll look at them," while thinking to yourself, "How am I going to finish all of this on time? I will have to skip lunch and dinner today." Number 2. Throw the pile in his face followed by, "Are you crazy? Don't you see all the work that I'm surrounded by? Go find someone else to do your job," and go about your business. Number 3. Tell him, "I have tons of work at the moment and I'm not sure I'll be able to finish all of this on time. Perhaps you can help me with some of this." While there are certain advantages to all three options, chances are the first two won't get you far. In the third scenario, you exhibited assertive behavior. So, what is assertiveness? Assertiveness is mainly a communication technique which allows us to build appropriate relationships by considering our rights and respecting those of other people. In contrast, passive or submissive behavior is where you would neglect your rights to please someone else. And aggressive behavior is where you would defend your rights and completely neglect those of other people. But wait, what do we mean by rights? Well, these are the rights to express your feelings, make a request, to fail, to be listened to, and to be you, among many others. And vice versa. Other people have similar rights as well. So, assertiveness is really about respecting these rights in you and those around you. If you liked this video, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. See you next time in the Learning Adventure series.